Hello friends, today I'm going to show you very shortly a beautiful decoration for Ganpati. You can do it in one day. If you have anybody's help, you can do in one day. So let's start. Need a mount board. If you don't have mount board, you can use cardboard or old box. You can use the cardboard, and I need this roll, okay, which comes in the foil, or if you don't have, you can make it by the newspaper, some colorful papers. I'm going to use only these three colors, one gift wrapping paper whichever I was having, and this the sitting which I'm going to use. Now first thing, measure this line, and according to that we are going to make a circle, and then I'm going to cut little bit from down. So first thing, whichever size of your sitting, okay, this line of the sitting, see this line of the sitting, that big circle should be there, means like this it will come, okay, the circle will come like this. So I'm going to measure this, and according to that I'm going to make the thing. So half of this, okay, and mark the circle, draw the circle fully, and then you can cut it, okay. After doing it, I'm going to cut. See, I had already cut for you, see, and I had cut the this portion because it will rest like this, okay. So I had cut it. So now we will start with the decoration portion. What I'm going to do, see, last time we had learned flowers, different types of flowers I had taught you. So what I have done, I will show you very quickly. See, I had drawn the circle on this. I will take a bunch of few papers, okay. How much big circle is there, that much flowers you will need. So I had punched it together. How much you can cut together, that much you have to punch it, okay. It should be easy to cut also. See, after cutting it, see how I'm going to mark it very closely. I will show you, okay. See, I have not removed the stapler because one more step is there which I want to make it. I'm just going to make a round and round and round shape like a chakli. On this line I'm going to cut together. See, I'm not cut remove the stapler. This is the easiest way when you're having a short time and you have to complete the work fastly. So this is the easiest and this is a shortcut. But yes, it depends how much bunch you can cut together. These papers are thin. I can take 5-6 circle together and cut it. My move, please take the help of your parents. Somewhere you have to take the help of your parents. Now very gently, in my one video I have shown how to make the rose, so I'm not going to show you very detailedly. Just roll it, okay. See, this way you will get it. Now stick it on the down portion nicely, okay, and make it how much your big circle is there. So I'm going to need at least 18. So I'm going to make. Now for the leaf, I had taken the size, whichever size I want, you have to take according to you. So cutting same size of square, divide this way, make a triangle, and I'm going to add one link where I have shown how to make the rose, so you can just go through that and check it. Fold it, make a fan fold, make a fan fold. Everyone know how to make a fan fold, okay. And just take this last portion, and where is the plain side, there you have to make it half first, join it, okay, this way, put the glue, okay, this way. Same, how much flowers you are going to make, that much you are going to use it. Now I will arrange this. Now how to arrange this. Before that arrangement, I will show you of this what you have to do. We are going to make two loads, okay. We need two one. See, wrap this way, okay, and tie like a chocolate, okay, this way. Here tie with this like a chocolate. See, I have made this, see, this way, okay. This will be the load, and cut a circle, plain circle, or you can make a fan fold and make a circle, or you can cut plain one also, whichever you like. Chalo, now we will start arranging the flowers. So I'm taking one pink and one orange, okay. So this way we are going to arrange. See, after sticking this, we will stick this, okay. See, you have to choose your combination. Even you can go for the blue one, this way, okay, or you can go for this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clutch this way, and the end one. So this way my circle will be ready. So let's stick it. Carefully. It should be in the center. See, all sides are even. Okay. And then stick it. Okay. Same way I'm going to stick this. See, this way we had completed. Now the down portion. Chalo, take a down portion. See, I had wrapped this to the board. Okay. Now what you are going to do? Now just attach this here. Put a glue. Okay. Put a glue on the corner, or you can put on this also. Okay. Directly put the glue on this. So it is very easy. Okay. Stitch, or you can use your stapler gun also, because it is wood, so you can easily staple this. But I'm going to show you both the things. I'm going to little bit staple also afterwards. Let it dry for 5 minutes. See, now I'm just going to use my stapler gun. Okay. Glue also, it's going to be stick with glue also. This way. Chalo, I will show you. See children, this way your marker is ready. See, I had put in the loads which we had learned. Yes, so add this load and then it's complete now. Enjoy your decoration of Ganpati, and please click your photo with your decoration. And I'm going to put the link of the flower which first we had learned in description box. So please check the description box and enjoy your Ganpati Bappa. Ganpati Bappa Moria.